Hi peeps, good morning, welcome to a Bear on the Spot update here at Park Rynie, Rocky Bay, down on the south coast. Beautiful sunrise this morning. Sure, swells up there. I mean, check it out. And that's the small sets. Maybe it'll drop during the day with the east. Current south-north, 1 knot here. Sea temp 23.4 degrees. 24 degrees out on the shoal. Very lekker here this morning. Lots and lots and lots of shad fishermen. Got a low tide just after 10 springs. It's beautiful watching the moon on the drive down this morning. Full moon on the horizon, busy setting. So yeah, Kuda and Stuk were fed last night, so the bite will only be on early morning and then late this afternoon, if you guys are fishing. But yeah, that's Rocky Bay this morning, man. So offshore blowing of about 5-6 knots. It's going to be a light east later between 11 and 1 o'clock. Anyways, peeps, that's an away from the bear. And as always, drive safe and straight spears.